up the jump about 20 feet across. Don't worry, we're about 15 feet away, so we'll hop right on over. Up and down below here, folks, here's my good friend Ginger. Hi, Ginger. Come on up and say hi to the crew. There she is, look at the lovely croc she is. So, Ginger, careful, little bro. Ginger snaps. And yes, now with the crummy goat. Well, that's all she does is we're now entering the Indian Elephant bathing pool. And by all means, friends, take as many pictures as you like. They are wearing their trunks tonight. Because last time they were, and it was very awkward. There's my good friend Bertha there. Looks like she's finishing up her evening shower. So you can definitely tell how long she's been in there, though. Look at all those wrinkles. Uh-oh. Oh, we got a little troublemaker over there, folks. That squares right there. No, not tonight. Squares. Come back down. Down. Good boy. Let's go back quickly before he changes his mind. Oh, come back out, folks. Never get out, guys. Never get out. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh. Just kidding. Just a little dry humor there. Whoa! What was that? Oh, that sounded dangerous. Let's get closer. Now, one of the jungle's going on over here. Oh, how much would you look at that? Let's take a bunch of gorillas to go over this safari camp. And, well, folks, I don't want to mess around with their monkey business here, folks, so, why don't we all act like a banana and split that, shall we? Alrighty, friends, I'm going to say a boat down through the river here, folks. I like to take this sweet time here to name some of my favorite plants here in the jungle. That one there was Larry. That one there was Terry. Up there is Mary. And that's Bob. Alrighty, friends, around here is word on my spider culture, folks. Well, alright, folks, we'll be going over that later. We are now entering what is known as the Nile River. It's going to be the longest river in the world, folks. But if you don't believe me, well, then you're definitely. It's the Bible. Right now, folks, if you take a look here to the left-hand side, here, folks, got the second most feared animal in the world, the African bull elephant. Right now, folks, if you take a look here to the right-hand side, the most feared animal in the world is the evil twin brother. But don't worry, folks, I taught him a few tricks. Speak louder. Alrighty, now stay. Good boy. Thanks for being that for him later. Alrighty, friends, well, it doesn't look like we're now entering the African belt. Filled with wonderful animals, such as the lovely zebras. Speaking of the zebra, folks, if you take a look at these three right here to the right-hand side, you can definitely tell how old these three are. They're still in black and white. And all friends, look there, such a sweet pride of lions. Take care of that sleeping zebra. And yes, folks, out of town, zebra sleeps. On its back, legs in the air, neck and an ankle, and eyes wide open. But he does look a little dead tired there, so you know, we're going to replicate for now. Is that the world renowned artist, La Rosa? Hi, La Rosa! Biggest fan here. Not you, Felix. La Rosa. And Skipper Felix, what did I tell you about getting out of your boat? Well, if anything else, I'm a little bit more curious about what happened to his boat. But I guess we'll figure that out down the line. Yeah, never mind. Oh, Roger, looks like we're now entering the hippo bowl. And he's going to be quite aggressive as of late. One of them's going to try to charge him, but don't worry, folks, I've been trained how to use this. Shoo! Hey, it worked. Oh, as they say, folks, fourth time's the charm. Alrighty, though, well, that is only the rear half of the boat there, folks. That means the other half must have either self-driven or drifted further down the river here. Well, I guess we'll figure that out soon enough. That. There it is. That. Dominant jet. Okay. Speaking of other chinfo folks up there, that one there has a mic in his hand. Let's all listen in to see what he says, then, shall we? Oh my goodness, parents, I am so sorry. How did I know where you learned that language from? You know, before he says anything worse. Let's get out of here. And here we are, folks, on the left-hand side. It looks like we have some more chins and mess around with some butterflies. But you know what, folks? Butterflies aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Yeah, real shame. Real shame. But here we are, folks, now so we've all have really been waiting to see. Known as the eighth wonder of the world, the spectacular Run Back Side of Water! And now, folks, if you take a look here to the right-hand side, hey, you guys got yourself the front side of rock. Yeah, some people seem to take that for granted. Yeah, see, my sentiment exactly. When I know, could have been more older than delivery now, huh? Alright, I can help with that. This joke is at rock bottom. But now, friends, it doesn't we're now entering the Amazon River here, folks. Lovely place to go fishing. Because I heard that no matter what it does into these waters, it'll always seem to get a bite. Oh, and there, folks, well down below, folks, we're now getting surrounded by what looks like to be piranhas. But don't worry, folks, don't get us out of here. Uh-oh. Well, folks, if you look straight on the head, it looks like we got ourselves a boa in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then comes asphyxiation. Oh, but don't worry in that situation. Sounds like a very constricting relationship, folks. All right, I'm going to get wrapped up in that. Right now, here, friends, on the left-hand side is Trader Sam's gift shop. Already had to head on out for a little bit to go restock his supplies, but before he left, he did say, hey, Skipper Mike, you wouldn't believe the amount of free items I've been collecting from random strollers parked out in the walkway today. He even said it's been a real steal all day. Hi, Ellie. Oh, look at that, Ellie misses you. Aww. Just do that, we're ready. Well then, friends, give yourselves all a round of applause over here, folks. We will all just survive the Jungle Cruise. And now, friends, as we do slowly make our way towards the docks, I'd like to remind you guys to please keep your guys' hands, elbows, arms, and heads inside the boat, and please remain seated. For we really don't want to catch you guys' hands between the dock and the boat there, folks, because from what I hear, that's a lot of peer pressure. We don't want to deal with that.
It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Stevie's World UK.